The Promo Pathway program is an intensive program that teaches you to create short-form content for marketing promotions.
The program is really like a training ground. I mean, you learn a lot with all your professors who are all working professionals in the industry.
I think that Promo Pathway program at SMC is one of the best programs that exist nowadays because it's totally unique. It gives you all these different opportunities like networking, and it also gives you the technical skills that you need to succeed in the industry as well.
Some of the skills that I was learning in the program were things like graphic design, motion graphics, editing, and just a lot of different things. Like, they really want you to know kind of how to do everything.
Promex BDA is an organization of producers, executives, basically everyone in the entertainment marketing industry. So Promex being involved in Promo Pathway is incredibly ideal because it basically gives you that door into basically everyone who works in this business.
Halfway through the program, I actually got an internship at Disney ABC, which led to a staff position when the program was done. I write, produce, edit 15, 30-second promos, some of your favorite shows like Scandal, How to Get Away with Murder, Grey's Anatomy, shows like that.
I work for a post-production house called Lucier. I cut spots for them for various networks like Sci-Fi, USA, ABC.
After graduating from Promo Pathway program, I got 2 internships and one led to my dream job at Disney ABC Television Group.
It was a life-changing experience that gave me a whole new set of skills that I never thought I would have, and it allowed me to work in an industry that I never thought I would find myself in.